Hi everyone, and welcome to Bob's Wood Stuff for another quick tip. This tip is about finding the center on a wide board. Oftentimes you need to find the center of a board for layout purposes, and it can be hard if it's not a normal measurement like 12 inches or 10 inches where you can just have it. So this is what you can do to easily find the center on a wide board. Take a ruler that's longer than the board is wide and pick two numbers that you can easily find the half of. I'm going to go from 2 to 14. So the difference there is 12, which means half of that would be 6. So 2 plus 6 is 8. And that should be the center of my board. I don't have to measure fractions or anything like that. I just use this technique. And I can do it over here as well. Go 2 to 14. Then make a mark at 8. And now I can draw a line down the exact center of my board. So that's a super easy way to find the center on a wide board, and I hope it saves some of you time in your shop. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe. Bye.